At all projects, we've committed to preserving the past whilst building a sustainable future. The most sustainable building is the one that's already built. So if we can just apply different building materials to the existing structure, we can reduce the energy use and expand the lifespan of that existing building. In most cases, it's good to retrofit the building all in one hit. Always aim for a really high performance level as far as the overall retrofit, but if you can't afford to do the whole project in one hit, at least do part of it to that higher level, and then you can do the second part of it, say in 2 or 3 years' time. So this project, for example, we've got a roof assembly that's getting done this year. We've also got a heat recovery ventilation system that we've put in through the roof space when we've had access. And then in 2 years' time, we'll come back and add insulation to the walls and the floor and change the windows over. Really kind of just gives homeowners another option there as well to spacing out their investment.